So first and foremost, I would like to show you guys how to visualize the elevation on Google Earth. Now, on visualizing elevation on Google Earth any point in time, this is Mount Kigali, and then this elevation you see here, if you look at my cursor, you see down here, you can see longitude, latitude, and elevation. This is in feet. So, and you can see the more as I'm hovering over it, and you can see the coordinate is changing as well as the elevation. So if you can see, I see 6,000 feet. If I return here, it's 5,000, meaning there are almost 1,000 feet between the top of Mount Kigali and down here. So if you want to visualize elevation, so you can do that by using this particular key here. Here we have half part. So we want to see elevation, so I'm just going to type elevation here, and then I will click OK. Now when I type elevation, I'm not clicking OK yet. So if I draw a line between top of this Mount Kigali here to the other side, you can see the line going across it like this. So you see this line. So I want to visualize how the elevation go. I will click OK. This is the elevation here. I will right click and say show elevation profile. Now this will give you a kind of view of how the mountain Kigali looks like. Now if I push up this, you can see here. So from where I put up this here, which you can see up here, down to here, this is how the elevation goes. This is the top part of it, and then it flows down to this way. Now this is a way you can see elevation of a place, assuming you want to see how does the place looks flat. So by using this, you should be able to see how the elevation flow. Now if you go here, option, go in here, and you see this in decimal degree. If you go to universal transverse Mercator, and you can see here you have system, default system, and if you want to put it in kilometer and meters, that's okay. So once you do that, now you will see now that these have changed to kilometer, and the elevation here have changed to meters, and these have changed to UTM coordinate system, as you can see here. Then you see now that this is showing you in meters. So what it means is that from here, the beginning here, look at where the arrow is showing up here in Mount Kigali. From the beginning here down, following like this, so you can see the percentage of elevation, you can see the distance along that line from what I measured, and you can see the minimum maximum slope. As you can see here, this is how it goes, and this is how flat this place is. So at any point in time that you want to say how is a particular place terrain looks like, you can use this method to get it done. So you can see here the way it moves. So where people are living here, you can see how steep slope is it is, and you can see here minus 25%. You can see the way it is moving. So any place you put all those things is where you're going to have this actually done. So this is a way you can visualize elevation on Google Earth. Now this is just it here. So you can get elevation visualized like this on the Google Earth. So is that okay? This can be applied in different places. You want to get a glimpse of how things are happening anywhere, just draw a line along where you want to see, and you should be able to see undulated or flat how the area look.